Okay. ये इसका भी मौका मिलेगा. एक second. So we'll start with you, sir. Reactions have been through the roof. गाना जो है, it's already become so popular. आज trailer का time है. आज पहली बार सुनने को मिलेगा आपके इस character के बारे में. How's the reaction been till now? जिनसे भी आपकी बात हुई है about the teaser and the song.
Hi.
Can we turn up the mic, please?
So, the strange thing is that, whenever I see, the trailer or the song, and I see Om Puri, Om Ji in this, it just kills me. Because, I've done a lot of work with Om Ji since, years and years. And one moment he was there, and the second one he was gone. So it just, I don't actually enjoy watching the teaser or the song because I see him right there, and one morning we hear that he fell down and he was no more. This is my reaction. I don't know how you guys feel. I killed it for you, right?
No, it's overwhelming. Kabir, I'll come to you now because the way he started with this entire
Because
story,
I killed it.
right? I had to. Kabir, your journey with him, right from Ek Tha Tiger, then Bajrangi Bhaijaan, and now, what has changed? I'm sure something must have changed for you that now with the third film that you're doing, the whole relationship must have taken a different turn.
Yeah, I think like any relationship, there's an evolution. And the more you work, the more time you spend together, you begin to... I'm sounding like I'm describing a marriage.
He's talking about Mini, not Meena.
No, but
I'm micro Mini.
you begin to sort of understand each other's sensibilities. You begin to understand each other's politics about issues. And that's what's been great. I think, a lot of people have told me that I've done 3 films with Salman and are you only doing this because he's a superstar? But I think I'm really, really fortunate that I've got, of course, the greatest superstar in the country, but I've also managed to do 3 very different films. I managed to get subjects that both of us were equally excited about. And that's the only reason the films came together, because the moment the two of us heard that story or decided that this is what we want to do, we were equally excited and passionate about it.
From what I've read, you wrote this film especially for him, but it's not the exact Salman Khan film that we associate him with. Your films have always been different when it started.
This film, the seed of the idea came from a film called The Little Boy, which I'd seen, and there was something about that idea, the germ of the idea, that got stuck in my head, and we got in touch with the filmmakers and said, can we take the idea and adapt it to our context? And then once...
And one visual of that black label ka kuch.
Yeah. There was an ad which sort of we put the two together and said there was an ad about 2 brothers. And I said, this is an idea that I'd like to develop. And when I bounced it off Salman, he thought it was a beautiful character, it was a nice story. And that's how it began. Then I started developing the screenplay.
Sohail, to be real life brothers.
For me, you don't have to ask anything. It's a no-brainer. I have Salman Khan, I've got Kabir Khan, so it's a no-brainer for me.
I have to ask you this. When the cameras come on, you real life brothers, but when the cameras come on to play those real life brothers, does anything change? मतलब वो जो भाई का role आप play कर रहे हैं on screen, जब shoot हो रहा होता है, does anything change from your real life chemistry?
No, nothing. In fact, when people ask me this, I think it comes easier. We just bring our real life chemistry into real life. And
that was very important for me because, the thing is that otherwise, if it was another actor, you have to build in the screenplay a lot of scenes to show the love between 2 brothers. Somehow when you see Sohail and Salman together, it's at one shot and okay, let's proceed from here. You don't need to build it anymore.
So it's like a really emotional film, okay? There's no hard work in this film like in Sultan or in Tiger, running off, jumping off, kushti, utha, patak, all that stuff. But emotionally, this one was really draining because Sohail and me, our brothers, and we're playing brothers here. So every time that something, in the screenplay, twist and turns, jahan pe emotional hota tha, it used to really mess me up. Now, if it was somebody else, me being a very limited performer, I would have had a huge problem. It would look fake, false. So the best thing, yeah, everyone knows that. So.
I don't think after this film you'll say that. This is like really.
No, they will
push the
say it.
boundary.
They will say it. They will say it. And I'm and I'm happy that they say it. I would like the rewards. I don't like the awards. Award function में perform करने के बाद I like that. Award के लिए मत बनाओ भाई. So it became really easy for me. Acting wise, because I was not actually acting, but emotionally it was really draining. Even when I was dubbing, it's embarrassing that a grown man, standing there, and you know it's a movie, and you're dubbing there. I mean, chalo, you're acting, your brother's not there. You have this thing that gone to war, whether he's going to come back, not come back, emotion. But when you're dubbing, so you're just, just lip syncing and dubbing that thing, tears coming out. That was really bad.
I think now,
And coming from us, it's really bad. So there was a time where my dad and my mom and Bheju Chacha, they came to see me in jail. So my uncle saw me after a very long time. They said, how's it going? This is good, nice one-bedroom suite. It's cool. So my dad smiled. My uncle started crying. So my dad said, यार तुम कैसे पठान हो जाओ यार बाहर जाओ यार.
so for the next bit, I would request all of you to now turn off your cameras because now we're going to launch the trailer. So आपको अपने cameras जो हैं वो बंद करने पड़ेंगे. ठीक है?
Yeah, but really we'd like to
क्योंकि वो
request
रात
you
को
to-
9 बजे वैसे आएगा लेकिन we
3
can't.
घंटे में we're going to give it to you, but if you record
No,
it
no.
and then release it, it won't look nice. There's a lot of work that's gone into it, so please, if you could switch off your
नहीं,
You could
camera.
switch off your
नहीं,
cameras.
हमारा प्रेस बड़ा ही आज्ञाकारी प्रेस है. वो आपकी बात हमेशा सुनेंगे. रिक्वेस्ट करो.
रिक्वेस्ट तो मैं आपसे दरख्वास्त करना चाहता हूँ अगर आप अपना कैमरा जो है वो अब स्विच
सुन
ऑफ
लिया
कर
सुन
दें.
लिया. विभा ने सुन लिया.